send Excel reports, Excel table in email body from email list in Excel. So we are maintaining say an Excel report, and we need to send it daily basis to the respective recipient. It may be daily sales, or it may be headcount, whatever may be. So we have a sample report which we need to send every day to the certain recipient email list. So we'll send it automatically through a macro every day. So let's see in our folder. We'll do this automation through macro. So we have a sample report and we have a macro file. So let's open the sample file here. So whatever we just design a sample report that we have a head count on a daily basis. We see whatever the today's as on today what is the head count, and this who is the lead to the sample report here, and we will send this to recipient through running a macro and open this macro file here. So we have email list here, so you need to maintain this table. For example, for additional you give more name if you have, and give the email address here. So first we need to give our source report file path. For the time being we close this sample report. So now we take the this source, this report file path, select, shift right click, copy as path, paste in the cell C3, and we maintain our email name, recipient name and email address in the same format, column E, column F accordingly. So you have to Outlook installed in your computer to send email through macro, and here we keep the email in a display mode, means that you will see the email and hit send button to send the report. If you want to send directly report by macro itself, we need to change the code from dot display to dot send. We'll see after running the macro. And if you also want to change the email subject body, you can change by modifying the code. Okay, first run the macro and send the sample report to the respective recipient. So our emails are generating. So we see multiple emails are there for all the recipient. We have the email. So let's check. Say this is from 2, and this is Alex, and this is the report. Please find the below daily headcount report, and this is the other email elements. So for each recipient we have separate email, and now you just check the email and send the hit button. So we just close all the email. We are not saving this email. So now if you want to send email directly without the display mode, means for example macro directly send the email, just you see the notification that email sent. So we need to modify the macro. Go to the developer tab, the Visual Basic, open the macro and open the code, and from here you see that is called display. Now we change this display to send. Now email will be sent directly with save and close. And also we want to show another thing. For example, if you want to change any wording in the email, for example, body, please find the below what the wording is here, like regards HR team. You can also change in the macro here. For example, you see this is the subject, and if you go a little bit up, so this is the regards and this is the HR team. For example, if you want to put respective name here, you can change to HR team to say finance team or any manager name, whatever. Maybe you can delete and change from here. So we close this one now. So we run the macro again. Now macro send email directly without notifying you. So personalized emails have been sent. We can now check in the our email. Go to the send box and we see for each person email sent directly by macro for the say whatever the report we design.